Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing a fabulous week. Today we are going to pick the 3 winners of my VIP lounge giveaway. If you wonder what's the VIP lounge, is a monthly subscriptions that I offer on my website, where every month you get digital papers with gift boxes, discount codes, etc, etc. Let me show you everything on my website first. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMX.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a Gold Butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, I'm going to showcase the papers of this month VIP lounge that all of you guys had the opportunity to win. I showcased a video in the beginning of the month, so just watch out because there will be a brand new giveaway next week. Main collection for the month of August is called the Vintage Lagoon. So it's a collection that's been inspired from Venice. Of course, there's been a very famous wedding happened in Venice recently, and I thought, actually, let's make and tell story about Venice in a non-fashion way. I wanted to, of course, create something that is vintage, that be shabby, of course, with my taste of being quite artistic and quite whimsical as well. This kit has 16 pages and has background of, a collection of backgrounds and ephemera. So I'm just going to go really quickly through every page. So predominantly lots of florals and a lots of Venetian masks. Of course, Venice is famous not just for the lagoon, but also for a carnival. That's their very distinctive gondolas, the St. Mark's Square, lovely mask. Now, these are original. They are a collection of Italians post stamps. I remember this when I was little. So in Italy, there is a euro now because we are part of Europe. But before we had the euros, we used to have lira, which is it was our currency. And I remember when I was little, with 50 lira, you used to buy a post stamp. And I remember people used to collect them as well. So this is a collection of authentic, of course, they are scanned, and some of course, are from the website. So collection of real post stamps. I'm going to do a tutorial with this. So, yeah. This is the map, the vintage map of Venice. Of course, Venice looks like an island, but it's attached there, and then you got all the canals. And I think this is amazing if you do like travel journals, or even if you want to decorate it. Now, this one, I mean, you can nobody stops you. You could simply put on a picture frame and put in your living room, but yeah, I wanted to give you quite a lot of watercolor effect photos. Okay, so they can use as a background or anything that you want. A little bit of whimsical, as I said in the beginning. So I created this background, and then I just put the hot air balloons. This is the cathedral, and I just added some florals on top. I love the watercolor effect. I hope you guys like it too. And then I basically put them into one page, all the full backgrounds, scale them. So these will be fabulous cards and also like vintage cards as well, which I will do a tutorial. Another background with the mask and the florals. Another one, pink. This has got like some brown and yellow and red color. It's loads of pages. This one is divided into two, so I designed this as two separate pages, split in half, but you can use as a one if you wish to. Another one with blue, predominantly blue and pink, gold and sepia. Love that. And then another one with the watercolor image and the Venetian mask. And last but not least is my favorite, because I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to get like a canvas texture. It looks like a painting, and I put the Venetian mask on the side as well. So that's the main collection. Also, every month you get a little gift from me. Okay, and this month the gift is an additional mini kit, which is called Emporium of Aristocrats. So I wanted to create something a bit different, something a bit magical and whimsical. So it's a mini collection, so it's 4 pages. So you've got one page with the 2 different backgrounds. So you've got Mr. Crocodile and a lovely, oh God, what do you call this in English? Oh, how do you call this? Animals. Flamingos. We all regal. I love that. I wish I could wear that. Then there is another page. Oh, I missed one. There is another page with the Princess Swan and the Princess Duck. So I love them. I love the costumes. They're quite hard to Photoshop it, but I really like the effect. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I think I've got a tutorial in my head, a project that I want to do. It's a collection of like little square, which I think I'm going to make some cards. And the large one, I think I'm going to make a tag. And then there's another page here. Look at that. Look, so cute. So cute. Okay, also guys, every month you get a letter, like a 3D letter gift box. And this month we are on letter P. We've done all the alphabet so far. So this is the template. So I've got the front of the P with a lion and the back of the P with the swan princess. And also because I had a lot of space here on the page, I gave you an additional background with this handsome pup. I think it's so sassy, and it's so I quite like his attitude. And this is what it looks like when it's all done up. So letter P. So we got the Lion King and the Princess Swan on the back, and then all the side there is this lovely floral letters. I'll show you all the alphabet. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. This is the last 3 that we've done. I got them here on my desk. Of course, these some of the alphabet, not some, from the letter A to the letter M, I guess. So it's the first letters are available on my website if you guys want to purchase them. But of course, my VIP members get them for free as part of the perk with the membership. But yeah, really happy with these. So cool. Let's now pick the 3 winners of this month giveaway. Okay guys, so let's pick 3 winners. As usual, I'm using pickawinner.co, where you simply put the YouTube video link, then press play, and then it's loading all the comments. So of course this filters any spam, etc, etc, etc. So let's pick the first winner. So the first winner is Linda Clark 6123. These are fabulous. I will have to make a wildlife journal, adding photos and notes of any wildlife I see. Good luck to everyone. So congratulations, Linda, you're my first winner. And winner number 2 is Katie Sexton 4554. Wonderful. These are amazing. I've used this in multiple places in my eclectic style journals, and they will make a great deal of wonderful ephemera. Good luck, everyone. So congratulations, Kathy. Number 3 is Leslie O'Cuniva. Love the video. Thank you. I'll be off topic. Oh, this is the spam. Unfortunately, it's not being filtered. And another one is M.M.2970. Love the papers and will love to work with it on cards, ATC, and in MacJang journal. And she put loads of colorful long hearts. Thank you so much, M.M.2970. Okay guys, congratulations to the 3 amazing winners, and a big thank you to every single one of you for participating to my giveaway. As I always say, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you. At least every month I give the chance for you guys to win something in exchange for your love and support, and it's really much appreciated. Guys, if you like this video, please consider leaving a very big thumbs up, because it really supports with my journey here on YouTube. I will see you on Friday for a fabulous Friday freebie. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.